Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Suite CRM to manage the customers' leads, sales, tasks, and business automation in one powerful CRM system. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you don't have a Suite CRM setup yet, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official website of suitecrm.com. Over here, you are going to see this type of home page. So before hopping on how you can get started with the platform, let's just briefly understand what it actually is. So Suite CRM is a free open source customer relationship management system. It is going to basically help you store the customer details, track the leads and sales, manage the follow-ups. So instead of using spreadsheets or multiple tools, Suite CRM is going to keep everything inside one system, especially for small businesses, sales teams, agencies, and service providers. It is very helpful and useful for you. So when you are here, in order to get started, simply click on the option of Get Started option on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, you can download the software on your device very easily. You can also look for the Suite CRM hosted free trial here in the bottom. So here when you click on the option of download, it is going to redirect you here on the download page of Suite CRM. Over here, click on the option of download and the setup will be downloaded on your device. Once it is completed, you just have to install the Suite CRM software on your device. Then simply log in here with the help of your login credentials, like your username and the password that you are going to create when you sign up. So when you log in into your Suite CRM account, you are going to see this type of dashboard in front of you. With the help of it, you can basically control a lot of things like your recent activities, the tasks that you do, the leads, the upcoming meetings, etc. So you can customize this board with the widgets so that the most important business information appears first. For example, a sales manager might show the leads and the deals, while a support team might focus on the cases and the tasks that on the home page. So here, first of all, let's just understand how you can add a contact. So contacts are the people you do business with. So in order to add the contact, you just have to first of all hover over to the create option on the top. Over here among the given options, you are going to see the option of create contacts. When you click on the option of create contacts, it is going to redirect you on the next page where you just have to start providing your contact related information. So you will see a form in which you just have to provide the person's email address, phone number, their any other additional information or description. After that, you just have to save that contact. It will be shown over here on the home page, or in the sales tab you are going to see the contacts option. So you are going to see all of your contacts that you have added here, just like so. So we have the name, the designation. After that, we have the account name. Then we have email address and office phone number and bunch of other things. So now if you want to manage the leads with the help of Suite CRM, you can definitely go ahead and do so. Leads are basically the people who might become your customers. So to create leads, again, go to the section of create on the top right hand corner. Over here, you are going to see the option of leads or create leads. When you click on it, you can basically add their contact information. So it also work like the contact that you have added over here. Simply assign the lead to a salesperson and save the information. In order to access it, simply hover over to the marketing section. Here you will see the leads option. When you click on it, your adding leads are going to look something like this. So Now if you want to create your account, if you are a business or company, you definitely need this particular feature. So here, hover over to the create option on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, click on the option of create accounts. Now when you go to the accounts section, you just have to add the company name, their address, industry, and you can also link related contacts and the leads. So once you save the account information, it is going to look something like this. It includes the name of the company, the city, the billing country, the phone number, user, and the email address. Plus it will also show the date at which this particular entry was created. So here, if you want to assign someone, you can click on the option of assign. Then you can select anybody from your team. Then it will be added over here, and you can also take a look at it with the help of this particular table. Now, with the help of SuiteCRM, you can also track the opportunities. So opportunities are the actual sales that you are working on. So here, in order to create them, simply go to the create section. Here you will see the option of create opportunities. So here, when you basically come inside the form of the opportunities, you just have to provide the name, the account name of the company. After that, you need to enter the deal value, the closing date, the client's name, assign a salesperson, and add the entry. So again, it is going to look something like this. You can click on any of the entries and you can take a look at this particular form which you have filled. So here, if you want to make changes into it, you can go ahead and do so. Then click on the option of save and continue. Now let's just talk about the tasks. So tasks are the daily work that basically you do in your account. So with the help of SuiteCRM, you can also create the tasks. You will see the option of creating the tasks over here when you hover over to the tasks section. So here, after clicking on the task, you just have to simply provide the tasks which you want to do. So after providing the task, simply enter the title, then add the deadline, the priority of the task. If you want to add any contact, you can definitely go ahead and do so. If there is any other description relating to the task, you can provide that in the description section. Then click on the option of save and continue. So that's how you can get the best out of the tasks section. So SuiteCRM is also going to provide you bunch of other features. Like with the help of it, you can also add a meeting. You can have a conversation via emails. You can send them the email. You can basically take a look at the workflows, and you are going to see the marketing tab, the support tab, the activities tab. So whichever your niche is, you can just simply click on these tabs and you can start using SuiteCRM right away. So SuiteCRM, in my opinion, is powerful because it is going to give you the customer database, the sales pipeline tracking, the team collaboration, automation tools, and support management, all without any monthly software fees. So you own the system completely. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.